Some people don't leave your life. They fade once you're no longer useful. Not because you changed, but because you stopped overgiving. And when access ends, resentment begins. When someone benefits from your silence, they'll fear your growth. Because growth gives you a voice, and voices break control. The most dangerous people aren't the ones who hate you. They're the ones who need you, but resent needing you. People don't betray you randomly. They betray you when your presence reminds them of who they failed to become. If someone punishes you for setting boundaries, they were never respecting you. They were managing you. Some friendships survive distance. Others only survive convenience. When you stop being accessible, the truth shows up. Not everyone who claps for you wants you to win. Some clap to stay close enough to compare. People who drain you often call you selfish. When you stop bleeding for them, your growth will expose who was only comfortable with your limitations. When someone keeps misunderstanding you, it's rarely confusion. It's resistance to accountability. Some people don't miss you. They miss the version of you that tolerated disrespect. If your success makes someone uncomfortable, they'll rewrite the story where you're the villain. The brain protects the ego before it protects the truth. That's why blame comes easier than responsibility. People reveal their intentions, not by what they promise, but by how they react. When you stop rescuing them, when kindness becomes expected, it stops being appreciated, and entitlement replaces gratitude. Some people only love you when you're useful, quiet, and easy to control. You didn't change. You just stopped explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. Manipulation often hides behind confusion. Clarity is the enemy of control. People who avoid direct answers aren't deep. They're hiding. If someone benefits from your doubt, they'll discourage your confidence. Your intuition noticed it long before your mind was ready to accept it. Some people don't want peace. They want chaos. They can control. When you stop chasing approval, you start attracting respect. The strongest boundary is silence after clarity. People who fear abandonment often create it themselves. If they only show up when you're struggling, they don't want you healed. They want you dependent. Emotional maturity is choosing distance over constant disappointment. Some people mistake access for entitlement. When someone keeps testing your limits, they're hoping you don't notice your own worth. The moment you stop overgiving, you find out who was overusing. Your calm response isn't weakness, it's control. People who mock your boundaries benefited from you having none. Healing feels lonely because you stop entertaining what drains you. Not everyone deserves the healed version of you. You didn't lose people when you chose yourself. You lost attachments that were costing you your peace.